Fruits, sweet and vibrant, are celebrated as symbols of health. Yet, their allure often conceals the subtle dangers of overindulgence. Dr. Men warns, sweet doesn't always mean safe, especially when it masks hidden imbalances. Fructose, often blamed for weakened health, is not the direct villain. Its metabolic path is slower than glucose, yet its sweetness makes it a silent player in the overconsumption of fruit, leading to hidden risks. Patients like Xiao Hong replaced balanced meals with fruits, striving for slimness. The result: anemia, weak immunity, and chronic ailments. Dr. Men emphasized, fruits can't replace staples or vegetables. Overindulgence in sweet fruits brings imbalance and harm. Dr. Men often advised, sweet fruits are tempting but misleading. Proper nutrition comes from balance, not indulgence. Include grains, protein, and vegetables in your diet, and avoid letting fruits dominate your plate. Fructose is not the original sin, but a temptation. By understanding its role and embracing balance, we resist the allure of sweetness, restoring health and vitality to our lives with mindful choices.